1032 in Africa, 1348 in Britain, 1541 in India, and 19 hours in Singapore. I'm Anita Puisan, and you're watching the Trio News. After many years of research, we finally have the money to interview our great at nothing scientist, Betty Lama, to tell us more about the world's most extraordinary science. Glass that does not cut your finger. Ouch! On the run correspondent, Canon Made reports.
Not known to all, the ingredients needed for glass manufacturing are mainly silica sand, limestone, soda ash, and cutlet are kept dry and cooled in the batches housed in salons or compartments. These are then mixed and weighed into appropriate portions. The mixtures are then sent to the furnace in hoppers, subsequently heating the mixture at 1300 to 1600 degrees Celsius into melted state, after which the molten glass is placed in the forming machine to mold into desired shapes. After that, it is reheated in an oven to ensure even cooling of glass for strengthening. This process is called annealing. Lastly, it will be left to cool for 30 minutes to 1 hour for safe to handle. Ready products are ornamented, inspected again, and finally packed and shipped to customers.
Hello audiences of Trio News, I'm Canon Made and I'm super honored to be on such a huge mission. And yes, it's an honor to have with us here Dr. Betty Lama. So what question for you? Is there a glass on earth that does not cut a human flesh?
Of course there is, and it is tempered glass. And only geniuses like me understand the sophisticated process behind it all. And it's only me that has the great control over the thermal or chemical treatment.
So, what's so special about tempered glass?
It has strength around 4 to 6 times more than normal glass. And best of it all, it shatters into small prickless fragments that doesn't cut the human skin.
Oh my god, that's totally interesting. So what else have you discovered?
Oh well, tempered glass can be made into 2 methods. When the new glass goes into heat treatment, it undergoes woohoo! It is subjected to around 180 degrees Celsius, then being cooled, of course. As it's been cooled quickly, it is 4 times as strong as normal glass. Very good glass, I think so. And it breaks into small fragments. But if it's cooled slowly, the glass will be only 2 times as strong as the new glass. And the glass fragments will only stay in the frame. But when the glass undergoes another treatment called chemical strengthening, that is covered by a chemical solution which produces a higher mechanical resistance. This type of glass has similar properties to heat glass. The process is suitable to be done on a thin glass. And I better be going on my research.
So yeah, thanks Betty. Now we're going on a 1-second commercial break. We'll be back. Bye. Hi, I'm Canon Made It from the Trio News. Oh my god, today weather is so good. The wind is so refreshing and the sun was so shiny that I thought it's gonna snow in first time in Singapore. Well, we are very pleased to have with us the king of Carlton Glass, Mr. Fu Lu Shou, to tell us more about tempered glass. So, may we know more about your company?
Okay. Carlton is filled with great workers because they have such a great boss like me. Our work is of high quality. Everything we do is quality, quality, and quality. We'll import high quality glass, then make it tempered later because we never make our own glass.
But why don't you make your own glass? Wouldn't that be cheaper?
Singapore's so small. Big glass also no space. Anyway, our glass is 88 to 144 inches, 3 to 19 millimeters thick. You order, we make. We'll cut the glass with a diamond tip cutter. Anyway, we'll lubricate the surface of the cutting edge to make it smooth because it will prevent glass from shattering from the tension when cutting. Wow! With the lubricant, no glass got broken, making me save a lot of money. We also make the shapes of holes this way too. Next, the glass will go into a machine to polish the corners, remove sharp corners, and will lubricate it at the same time to cool down and remove sand dust on my glass. Then we'll send it to the cooler machine. What must we do to the machine when the factory closes at night? Switch on, off, switch off. Must switch off. If not, the machine will work the whole night. Then we'll apply certified tempered logo on the glass. Then it will be sent to the tempered machine under 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 20 minutes depending on thickness.
How does your company check the quality of the glasses?
Actually, we have little control because our glass is imported, so we can't do too much. But if our polishing process is well done, there will be no defect glass pieces because the sharp corners are very rigid and low resistant to pressure, causing breakage during tempering glass due to the extreme heat changes. The corner must be well cut and polished too to have no defect tempered glass pieces. Defects normally appear during the tempering stage. All tempered glass will have a certified tempered glass logo at the end.
Now, can you share with us the safety precautions taken by your company?
Oh, our highly skilled workers must wear gloves that are heat resistant when working. If not, I have to pay for their medical bills every time. Then their arms must be covered just in case hot glass have contact with their bare arms. And all of them must wear long pants and safety boots because normally we have a lot of glass breaking on the floor. With all these tips, your company can save money too. We are talking about safety measures, right? Sorry.
So how do you handle the defects and broken glass?
We will send them all to the recycle plant at Tuas.
So may I know if there's any benefits of using tempered glass?
Of course, the more people know how good tempered glass is, my business will be better. Tempered glass is 4 to 6 times stronger than annual glass. It can also withstand heating in microwave ovens.
Wow, that's a very interesting point stated. Are there any disadvantages of it?
Oh well, actually there are more advantages than disadvantages. But the irritating researchers purposely find more disadvantages. Tempered glass is expensive and must be cut to size or pressed to shape before toughening. The edge are polished or drilling holes is carried before toughening process starts. That's all for the disadvantages.
I believe there's a paragraph left unsaid about the disadvantages. Don't lie in front of the national TV.
I thought we can talk a little about disadvantages. But anyway, I didn't say a few points only. So here goes. It shatters into thumbnail-sized pieces when broken. It is vulnerable to breakage due to the damage to the edge of the glass. Shattering also occurs when a hard impact hits the middle of the glass. And lastly, there's a security risk in some events due to the tendency the glass has to shatter completely upon hard impact.
Wow, I'm enlightened and thank you for sharing with us and the audience so much about tempered glass. So back to you, Anita.
Thank you, CandyMate. We have come to the end of our show. Hope you enjoy it. Good night.